welcome to my channel. My name is Sydney White. How y'all doing? And do it again. Welcome back to my channel. Hey citizens, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Guys, today we are doing a super excited unboxing video. Before I get into this video, if you're new here and you just clicked on this thumbnail, thank you for stopping by. Yes, and if you like videos like this, and if you want to become a part of this family, before we start this video, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified. Yes. So guys, we are back with this unboxing video that I know you guys, some of y'all have been waiting for. The Toiletry 26 have relaunched. Yes, so we are unboxing it today and we're going to compare it to the old Toiletry 26. So guys, they put a little remix on this Toiletry. They actually call it now the Poche Toilette NM. Yeah, so it's not the Toiletry 26 anymore. It's called the Poche Toiletry NM. And we are going to unbox that right now. Okay, guys, I just ordered this on Thursday. And it's here today. It's Friday. I'm super excited. If you're following me on Instagram, right here, you'll see I put up a little mini vlog on my Instagram and I purchased this and it was here the next day. Yeah, I purchased it. No, I'm sorry, I'm lying. That was Wednesday. I purchased it on Wednesday and I got it 2 days later. I think this released on April 1st. I could be wrong. It was either April 1st or April 2nd. And it's still available right now. I just checked the website. I will link it below. It's still available if you want to get it after you watch this video. So like I was saying, they changed the name of it. So I don't know if I'm going to keep my other one. So let's just get it open. And this was not available in store. We did an online purchase in the store. And they just took my card and they shipped it, like, I guess overnight. So let's get it open. Got the, the pull tab, per usual. And here it is, Louis Vuitton. Here it is, guys. And I said I was going to write a note to myself the last unboxing and I didn't. But let's get a quick little thumbnail before we unbox it. Let's see. Thumbnail. Okay. That was a long one, but I want to make sure I got some good shots. Alright, so we're going to just pull this beautiful ribbon. Like I said, this is the little cards that you can write to yourself. Or if you're buying it for a gift, you will write a little note to someone. They always give you these. I don't know. I have so many of these. Alright, so take the ribbon off. Comes in a nice size box. All right, guys, here it is. It's inside of a regular Louis Vuitton dust bag. Let's just get it open. Looks just like the regular Toiletry from here. And let's just pull it out. And here it is, guys. Check it out. It has the black leather. Black leather on this side. Black leather on here on a little tab. And this was made in Paris. Can you see that? Made in Paris. Still has the gold zipper, Louis Vuitton signature. We're gonna open it up, and it still has the wipe away fabric, and it's black inside. And this has another compartment, like you can put stuff in here. You know, with the regular Toiletry, with the Toiletry 26, I'm not gonna call this Toiletry. This is the Poche Toilette, has a slot here, and it comes with some card holders, 6 card holders in a slot. And I think it's the same size as the Toiletry 26. All right, so the size of this, it is 9 by 8 by 7 by 9. 9 by 8, 7 by 9. And I think it is the same size as the Toiletry 26. But it gives it a little more detail with the black leather. How cute is this? I love it. Here's the inside once again. All right, so guys, now we are going to compare this Poche Toilette NM. I was gonna say NM compared to the Toiletry 26, which I have here. And I'm just gonna take out, I have a insert, and I'm just gonna take the chain off. I'll leave the insert in there. So I'll take the chain off. And this came so fast. I ordered another chain for this one, and it came so fast. My chain is not here for it.
One eternity later.
Struggling. Get this off. I'll set this to the side. Okay. Here is my Toiletry 26. And this one was made in Spain. Very, very similar. I think the toilet may be an inch higher or 2. It just may be. I don't know if it's the angle or the bottom, the shape. No, it might be just an inch higher. I don't know if y'all can see that. It could be me. No, I think it's a little. It's definitely bigger. Because if you see it on this angle, it's wider. If you look, it's wider at the bottom. So let me see. Let me log into my Louis Vuitton account and see if I can get the specs from the regular Toiletry. Okay, Toiletry 26. No, I cannot get the specs. Alright, so if anybody still has the specs to the Toiletry 26, leave a comment below and let me know if it's the same size as the toilet. But I know it seems like it's a little bit wild. I don't know if it's just because it's the black leather, if it's playing tricks on me right now. But it definitely looks like it's a little bit wider. And I just love the fact that it has the card holders. I wish they would have added like D-rings in the inside so you can make it a little crossbody, but this is definitely more considered like a clutch because it has the card holders. and a little slot for cash, which is really cool. Now let's talk about, is it worth the money? Okay, is it worth $1,080? We paid what, 700? Oh, okay. We paid 500. Well, I paid $580 for this Toiletry 26. Now, I seen this on the pre-love market for at least $1,200, which is crazy. Great, $1,200. I didn't even realize. I thought I paid like $745 for this. This was $580. $1,200? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? $1,200? No way. Now, this one is, like I said, $1,080. I think the extra $500, is it the leather on the sides here that you're paying for? Is it really worth it? You do get the card slots, but if you get an insert like what I did with this one, you get card slots. I mean, is it worth it? It's worth it if you're willing to pay for it. Basically, if you're willing to pay for it, then it's worth it. I like it because of the black. I love the monogram in the black, and I'm just totally in love with that look. I'm actually trying to revamp half of my collection to the monogram in the black, like I did my bum bag. It matches my keeper, my luggage, so my husband's backpack, which is the Christopher, and I just love the look of it with the black leather. If you already have this, it's up to you. It's up to your discretion. I only purchased this because I'm thinking I may sell this one, but I don't think that I would try to get $1,200 for it. That's just ridiculous. So I'm on the fence about it. I might just keep it in my collection, pass it down to a family member. I'm not sure yet, but this is a keeper. I'm going to keep it. It's beautiful. That's all I can say is, you know, I'm happy with it. I love the inside that is black instead of the tan color. And I will link it below. And here's the product code just in case you want to know, if you want to just call up. It is M46037. And it retails for $1,080. And you could definitely still put an insert in here as well. Let's take this one out. And my insert has card slots as well. And you can still put an insert in here. And if you want to add a chain, you can add a chain as well. And it still fits perfect. So with or without the inserts. But if you want to do a chain on it, you definitely have to do inserts. So I'm going to put a chain on here. This is not the chain that I want to have for this one. I'm actually going to get a smaller chain. Well, I ordered a smaller chain. It's just not here yet. I actually did it wrong. I usually loop it through so I can zip it, but if you want to turn it into I still just wear it as a clutch. I just add the chain for a little bit of and I just carry it this way with the chain. The chain I ordered is a lot longer, so I can wear it crossbody as well. So here it is, guys. I love it. Okay, I'll get a couple more shots with this and I'll be back. Okay guys, that is it for this unboxing and comparison video of the Poche Toilette. Let me know if you're going to purchase this or are you going to pass. Is this a purchase or a pass? Leave a comment below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video, and if you're new here and you love videos like this, don't forget before you leave, hit the subscribe button and bell notification so every time I upload a video, you will be notified and become official citizen. Yes, become official citizen. Until next time, sis signing off. Peace.